Hi everybody, and welcome to this lesson on the piano. Our objectives for this lesson are: number 1, review the musical alphabet and terms; number 2, to learn how to find the notes on the piano; number 3, to learn to name the white keys on the piano; and number 4, learn to name the black keys on the piano. So let's review some of the terms that we learned in a previous lesson. We have the musical alphabet, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, forwards and backwards, and so forth. We also have those musical terms / symbols we learned: the sharp sign, which was higher in music, and it looked like a hashtag; flat, which was lower in music, which looked like a B; and then natural, which meant regular, which looked a little bit like the hashtag without the two corners on it. So those are the terms we learned last time. Now let's look at the piano. If you look at the piano, we have white keys and we have black keys. But what we want to focus on now is the black keys and how they appear in a pattern of 2 black keys, a space, 3, space, 2, space, 3, and so forth. And that's the pattern that continues: 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. So to keep our place on the piano, what we need to do first is find the set of 2 black keys and go 1 key to the left, the white key to the left, and the name of that key is C. Now, because we know our musical alphabet, we know that after C comes D, then E, then F, and so forth, G, A, B, and it would keep going. But now the next question is, if this is C and I go 1 to the left, what happens there? What letter would that be? Well, of course, it would be B. It would be B. See that? I'm funny. Anyway, and then we go from A down to G and C and so forth, and it continues. And if you recall, as we went up in the alphabet, the pitch went higher, the sound went higher, and as we went backwards in the alphabet, the pitch went lower, which takes us to finding how we name the black keys here. If you look, each black key is between 2 white keys. It's, in this case, higher than C and lower in D. And if you remember from the last lesson, sharp meant higher, so this black key is C sharp. But it's also lower, so it's called D flat. So it has 2 names, C sharp and D flat. So this black key, let's try it here. What's its higher name? Higher than this white key, which is D, so it's D sharp. But it's also lower than this white key, which is E, so it's E flat. And that's its 2 names. No black key here, but over here we have another black key. Higher than F, lower than G. What's its name? F sharp, G flat. How about this one? G sharp, A flat. And then finally this one, A sharp, B flat. But then you look back here, and what about these keys? Well, they label just the same as it does up here, the set of 2, and as you look at it. And that's what you have right there, and that's how you label your notes on the piano. So thanks for watching. Hope you got something out of it.